Hello everyone and welcome to a new series on the channel called How to Mine with Your PC. In our first episode, we will start with Ravencoin. When it was launched, how to mine it and explore various pools and exchanges. Now Ravencoin has generated a lot of attention for its unique approach to mining and blockchain technology. Join us as we uncover the details and get you started on your mining journey. Now let's dive into it. I will leave the sections here on the screen for you to see how the episode will flow. First of all, we will go to the CoinMarketCap website and we will search for Ravencoin. We will select all to view the full price chart of Ravencoin from 2018 to the present day of 2024. The current Ravencoin price is 0.031 cents and the market cap here is 439 million. The 24-hour trading volume is 31 million. The circulating supply is 13 billion, which is 65% of the max supply, which is 21 billion. From CoinMarketCap, we have the official links for Ravencoin website and white paper and GitHub. For social media, Raven is active on Twitter and Reddit and Telegram. Now we scroll down here, we will see the all-time high of 28 cents from 3 years ago and the all-time low, which is 0.008 of the cent from 4 years ago. As we can see here, Ravencoin was announced on October of 2017 and released for mining on January 2018. Now, let's look at the exchanges for Ravencoin. Ravencoin is listed on Binance, Bybit, OKX, KuCoin, Gate.io, and much more exchanges. This is it for section 1. Now, let's go to the next section. Now, we will have to create an address to use for the miner. For this video, I will be using Gate.io for the address for the miner. You can use Binance, you can use other wallets like Trust Wallet. I will leave link in the description to sign up through and get up to 15% of your trade for Binance and Gate.io and other exchanges. Let's go to the Gate.io. After you sign up an account for Gate.io, you will come to the assets and then spot account. From spot account, we will go to deposit. After we come to the deposit, we will go to the on-chain deposit. We will press deposit like this. And here we have to choose a coin. We will choose Ravencoin. I will type RVN for Raven. And then for the network, I will choose the Ravencoin. We will need this address later when we configure the miner. Now, after we got the address, we will go and choose the miner. If you are using NVIDIA, I recommend using TRX miner, which is this one. And if you are using AMD, you should use Team Red Miner, which is the best one for AMD. And if you want other miners, you got Raven Miner and you got G Miner and LOL Miner. For this video, because I have NVIDIA GPU, I will be using TRX Miner. Now here from the TRX Miner GitHub, I will leave the link in the description below. We will have to download this one. I already done and it's right here. Before we extract the folder, you have to create a new folder for the miner first. Let's create a new folder and let's call it RVN. Okay, now we got the folder. After that, we need to add this folder to the Windows security exclusions. I will drag the TRX miner and put it inside the RVN, the folder that we just created. After that, we will go to the settings, privacy and security, Windows security, and virus and threat protection. From here, we will scroll down to the virus and threat protection settings. We will select manage settings and we will scroll down for exclusion. We will press add or remove. We need to add an exclusion. We need to add folder. After we do the add folder, we will navigate to our new folder, which I named RVN. I have selected it and select folder. Now we have the folder on the exclusions. After that, we will get back here to the folder of the TRX miner. We will extract it here. After we extracted the folder, we will have all these files, .bat files. Now, before we do anything here, we will have to go and choose a mining pool. Let's see which mining pool we should use right now. We will go to the mining pool stats and select Ravencoin, which is right here. Now for Ravencoin, the algorithm for Ravencoin is Kaupao. I will leave the link in the description below. After we click on the Ravencoin, we will see the list of the pools that are available right now. We got 2 miners, Hive, Raven Miner, F2 pool, and so much more. After we click on the 2 miners pool, it will navigate us to here for the mining pool for Ravencoin. We will click how to start, and as you can see here, 2 miners has 3 servers, one in Europe and USA and Asia. Depending on your location, choose accordingly. For me, I will choose the Europe one. We need to create a wallet. We don't need to because we already got the address right here. After that, we will go and download the miner. We already downloaded the TRX miner and the files here. In this video, I will be using TRX. So here's the settings for the TRX. We will copy it like this, and we will need to go to the folder of the TRX miner, and we will go scroll down to the RVN to mine. We will have to edit. It will show us like this: Windows protected your PC. We will paste the settings right here on this miner. Here we will put the wallet address that we got from the Gate.io. I will come here and press copy it successfully. I will come back to the Raven miner and I will paste it right here. This is my wallet address and this is the rig ID. You could name it whatever you want. I will name it Harat. After that, this is the password. You don't have to mess with it. As I said before, I'm using the Europe server, which is port 6060. As you can see here, the port is 6060 RVN.2 miners. If you are from the USA, you will need to copy this one and paste it right here, like this. You will need to copy and come and paste it right here. This is for the US one. I am using the Europe, so I don't need the US here, so I will delete it. After that, we completed the configuration for the miner. We will save it and exit it. After we exit it, we will come here and we will launch this miner. And it will start mining. For the miner, I already got it going. It's right here. I have been mining from 16 hours and this is the miner working. For the Ravencoin, as I said, as you can see here, rvn.2miners.com. I'm using the 2 miners pool and I'm mining on it. After you started mining like this and you got some shares, we will come to the 2 miners and you need to paste your wallet address. This wallet address, you will need to paste it right here. And then you will do search, and as you can see here, I am mining already. This is the hash rate for my miner. This is the last 24-hour reward, and this is the unpaid balance. So as you can see here, estimated daily profit. Here you will get the estimated daily profit, but you will need to mine for 1 or 2 days. The estimation will be more correct, and this is for the mining of Ravencoin. Now, after we configured the miner and started mining Ravencoin, now let's see how much is the profitability for the GPUs. For that, we will go to the What to Mine website. I will leave it also down in the description. Here, as we are on What to Mine website, here on the GPU section, we will have all these algorithms. For this video and the purpose of this video, I will only leave Kaupao like this. Now for the profitability, I will be checking with RTX 3060s and RTX 3070s. So if we are doing a small rig of 10 RTX 3060, it will be 220 megahash for 1400 watt. Let me calculate with the cost of electricity of 0.10 cents. Now for Ravencoin, for 10 RTX 3060, you will be getting $3.30 per day. Minus the electricity will equals to $3.24 for 1 day. The important thing here is the estimated rewards for the Ravencoin, for the coin itself. It will give us 108 Ravencoin, which will be after the electricity cost will be 103 Ravencoin. This is how I calculate my mining profitability. I mine and I calculate from the coin itself, not the profit right here. I got 103.9. Let me open the calculator. Here we will type 103.9. This is for 1 day. For the whole month, we will get 3,117 Raven. For a whole year, it will get us 37,000 Ravencoin. Here we will check the profitability. For 37,000 Ravencoin, as we can see here from the CoinMarketCap, this is the price for Ravencoin right now. If we got 37,404, we will get $1,188 if we sell at 3 cents. But the thing here, you shouldn't sell at these prices. At this price, you should accumulate as much coins as you can. As I said before, it will get us 37,404. For the all-time high, which is 28 cents. This is the all-time high from the previous bull run. If we sold the yield from our mining of a year, if we sold it at 20 cents, less than the all-time high, for only 20 cents, it will be $7,480. This is minus the electricity, of course, and this is for 10 GPUs. Now for the RTX 3060, I see it on the market for 200 to 230, 240 for 1 GPU. So if you are buying 10 GPUs, let's say 220 for a clean RTX 3060. Then this is 2,200. Let's say the power supply and razor and the fans are 450. This will leave us with $2,650 for one rig of 10 3060. So if we sold the 37,000 that we have of Ravencoin after we mine it for 1 year, if we sold it at 20 cents, as I said before, it will get us 7,480. Let's say minus the 2,650 for the GPUs and the risers and the power supply. You will be a net profit of almost 5 grand for 1 year. This is with keeping your hardware. So this is the profit for 1 year of Ravencoin if you sell it at 20 cents. And if you wait longer for the 37,404, if you wait for, let's say, 30 cents over the all-time high for the next bull run, you will get $11,000. Minus the same equipment, it will leave us with net profit of $8,500. So it's very, very profitable if you sell at the right time, not selling right now in the lows. So this is the what to mine for RTX 3060. If you want to buy or you want to build a mining rig, I will advise you buy 3060 or 3070. Let's see now how much will the 3070 or 10 cents again for 10 cards of 3070. It will get us 130. Let me copy this one, 130.36 multiplied by 30 days. In 1 month, you will get 3,900 Raven. That's multiplied by 12. So for a whole year, you will get almost 47,000 of Ravencoin. As we said before, if you sell at 20 cents less than the previous all-time high, you will get 9,385 bucks. And here for the RTX 3070, I see a lot of RTX 3070 for 300 bucks, 300 to 90 in this range, from the range from 280, 90 to $300 for the RTX 3070. So 9,300, let's minus it by 10 cards with the average of 300 per card, 3,450 for the GPU and risers. You will be profitable almost $6,000 for 1 year. This is if you sell it at 20 cents, let's say 47,000. And if you sell it at 30 cents at the next bull run, you will be at 14K. 14K minus the 3,450, you will be profitable $10,650 for mining for 1 year. And there you have it. This is the first episode of the new series, How to Mine with Your PC. If you found this information valuable and are interested in cryptocurrency mining, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insights and updates. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. For those looking to support our channel, consider checking out our Patreon page, link in the description below. Your support helps us create more content and grow our community. And I will leave links in the description for the equipment that I use and the equipment that I advise, like the 3060 and the 3070. Also, I will leave links to the exchanges so you can get 5 to 15% of your trades. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next episode.